In this lecture, you will learn how to customize the default Maven behavior and settings. If you look at this JRE system library here, our Maven project is using Java version 1.5. Although we have installed 1.8 and asked Eclipse to use 1.8, the Maven plugin has generated a project that still uses 1.5. This is because if you go to the pom.xml file, here you see several tabs at the bottom. Click on effective pom and you will see that our pom is much bigger than you expect. This is coming from the super pom from Maven itself. So every pom file will derive some settings from super pom from Maven itself. Search for compiler in this pom file and you will see a very old version of the compiler that is being used, 2.5.1. As a result, this Maven compiler plugin, which compiles our Java classes, by default uses Java version 1.5. We have to override it in our pom file. So come back to the normal view. To see this effective pom from command line, you can use Maven effective pom. There is a command as well to do that. In Eclipse, internally, Eclipse executes that command and shows us this view. Go back to the pom.xml tab. Grab the compiler from the description of this lecture. You can grab this from the description of this lecture, or by Googling. You can go to Google, search for Maven compiler plugin and you will find it. Copy this, paste it just before the root element ends. Do a Ctrl+Shift+F to format. I'll explain this in a second. So everything in Maven works as plugins. When we download Maven, it has only the core part of it. But if we want to customize its behavior or need any additional functionality, we get it through plugins. Here we have the Maven compiler plugin, the group ID of it. This is the project of the Maven compiler plugin and the version. Using the configuration, you can specify which version of Java you are compiling, the source code, as well as into which version it should be compiled, the bytecode. Both are 1.8. When we change the pom file, it's always a good practice. If you see there is an error mark here, so right click on the project, go to Maven and do a update project. Select that, click OK, and Maven will make sure everything is OK. Now, if you see, the Java version has changed from 1.5 to 1.8.